What if just a few minutes of shadowing every day could help you speak English more fluently and confidently? Today, you'll practice easy daily routine sentences that can improve your pronunciation, listening, and speaking skills. Hello, and welcome to English Shadowing Club. I'm Sam. Welcome back. Find a comfortable place, speak out loud, and let's start improving your English together, one sentence at a time. Sentence 1. I wake up early and start my day. Repeat after me. I wake up early and start my day. I wake up early and start my day. Now you repeat. Sentence 2. I get ready for the day. Repeat after me. I get ready for the day. I get ready for the day. Now you repeat. Sentence 3. I prepare my breakfast and enjoy the quiet time. Repeat after me. I prepare my breakfast and enjoy the quiet time. I prepare my breakfast and enjoy the quiet time. Now you repeat. Sentence 4. I check my messages and plan my tasks. Repeat after me. I check my messages and plan my tasks. I check my messages and plan my tasks. Now you repeat. Sentence 5. I plan my tasks one by one. Repeat after me. I plan my tasks one by one. I plan my tasks one by one. Now you repeat. Sentence 6. I focus on one thing at a time. Repeat after me. I focus on one thing at a time. I focus on one thing at a time. Now you repeat. Sentence 7. I organize my tasks and start with the easy ones. Repeat after me. I organize my tasks and start with the easy ones. I organize my tasks and start with the easy ones. Now you repeat. Sentence 8. I spend time practicing my English. Repeat after me. I spend time practicing my English. I spend time practicing my English. Now you repeat. Sentence 9. I spend time learning something new. Repeat after me. I spend time learning something new. I spend time learning something new. Now you repeat. Sentence 10. I learn from my mistakes. Repeat after me. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. Now you repeat. Sentence 11. I try again if something is hard. Repeat after me. I try again if something is hard. I try again if something is hard. Now you repeat. Sentence 12. I feel happy when I improve. Repeat after me. I feel happy when I improve. I feel happy when I improve. Now you repeat. Sentence 13. I speak clearly and do not rush. Repeat after me. I speak clearly and do not rush. I speak clearly and do not rush. Now you repeat. Sentence 14. I talk to people with confidence. Repeat after me. I talk to people with confidence. I talk to people with confidence. Now you repeat. Sentence 15. I take short breaks to relax my mind. Repeat after me. I take short breaks to relax my mind. I take short breaks to relax my mind. Now you repeat. Sentence 16. I look at my schedule for the day. Repeat after me. I look at my schedule for the day. I look at my schedule for the day. Now you repeat. Sentence 17. I set small goals for myself. Repeat after me. I set small goals for myself. I set small goals for myself. Now you repeat. Sentence 18. I stay calm and focused. Repeat after me. I stay calm and focused. I stay calm and focused. Now you repeat. Sentence 19. I end my day feeling thankful. Repeat after me. I end my day feeling thankful. I end my day feeling thankful. Now you repeat. Sentence 20. I finish my day feeling relaxed and proud. Repeat after me. I finish my day feeling relaxed and proud. I finish my day feeling relaxed and proud. Now you repeat. Excellent. Remember, learning English takes time. Practice a little every day. Small steps make progress. Thank you for learning with me. Watch more Daily Easy English on this channel. See you in the next lesson.